Hi there, Russ from ProSteam UK here. Today we're working on this two-seater sofa. This particular piece of furniture has been purchased second-hand, so the client really wants the most thorough clean possible. To do that, we're going to use our own cleaning product, and it's called Micro Cleanse. And Micro Cleanse is going to not only break down the dirt and the oil and the body contact areas, it's also going to sanitize. It's going to kill any bacteria. It deals with bacteria, virus, and also fungi. So we're going to remove the cushions, we're going to clean them back to front and all the sides. We're going to do the sides and the back of the frame, and we're also going to do these areas here, the head areas where people's heads make contact. So as you can see, the bases are very soiled compared to the arms. The arms have had covers on them. So that's how it should look, and that's how it looks right now. We're going to come back to this in a bit, and we're going to see how much better we can get this to look.